everybody, welcome to today's video. We are going over Google search results, specifically the perspectives feature that you can find at the top of your page. Google launched the perspectives filter last June, and that filters out the results for just that type of content. You can search for videos, blogs, and forums, and it is meant to show people a more live experience. And that's what Google is saying, that the searchers are able to see answers from people who are sharing their own perspectives with answers in a user interface that's friendly and consumable. And it's really targeted to a younger audience. But there is a notice that came out that says Google is rolling out a change to it. They're going to rename it soon from Perspectives to Forums. The Google spokesperson had said that it is an intuitive name when you're seeking out that content, and that searchers can use this filter to look for better results from more forums and other platforms across the web. So how do you use it, and what does that mean for your business in order to get that information up and in front of people who are looking for it? When you put your search result or your search question in here, the search results are going to come up. I just put how to grow and regrow mushrooms from stems, and it gives your answer. And people also ask those. All are the standard things. You'll see videos down below, information, probably some ads somewhere, related searches, all of that stuff shows up. But the perspectives tab, I want you to click on that and start looking at what is happening with the results when it's related to your product or service. So if you are a mushroom retailer, this would be important to you. So you can also look for influencers. You can look for other ways that you can start collaborations. Perhaps this is a way for you to look at who could become a potential backlink source for you. There's YouTube videos, Quora, another YouTube video, Reddit, of course, is going to show up on there. Here's some more information from a forum. And then some more informational things from YouTube, TikTok. All of those are going to show up here. So I want you to note how it looks, what's happening on the search engine result page. And I also wanted to take a moment to tell you that it's going to be renamed. But if you haven't known about it, I want you to invest some time and see what's showing up for your business. So you start to see the results here and the discussions. But then when you go back over here to delete that filter, people also ask, that section is going to be a good tool for you to do research and information through there as well. Take a moment. I hope you found this helpful. Take a tour of the perspectives, get to know what shows up in your industry, your competitors, and what people are searching for you. Hope that was helpful. Happy marketing. See you in the next video.